Do you want to succeed in affiliate marketing? In this video, we compiled the top 5 best affiliate marketing tools for you to start your affiliate business. There's a whole toolbox of affiliate marketing tools you'll need if you want to run a successful affiliate marketing business. With the right tools, it can be easy to get started. These tools are essential for any affiliate marketer who wants to be successful. We categorize essentials as the areas that require setup before you start your marketing campaigns. No matter how good your marketing skills are, you can't sell something people don't want to buy. That's why it's important to choose a product or service that you're passionate about and that there is a demand for. For this, you must do your research online. The best place to start your research is, of course, search engines. What is your demographic searching to buy? What are topics trending in your niche? First, you'll need our best affiliate marketing tools list to perform deep dive research. These tools will be handy if you're just getting started with keyword research or looking for new ideas. Best affiliate marketing tools for research. Top 5 best affiliate marketing tools for research. 1. Google Trends. 2. Google Keyword Planner. 3. YouTube Search. 4. Keywords Everywhere. 5. RF. Once you have researched and have a product or service to promote, you need a place for buyers to buy it from. Therefore, a sales page is essential to any affiliate marketing business. Your sales page should be well designed and convincing so people will want to buy what you're selling. In addition, a professional website is a must-have tool for any serious affiliate marketer. A blog is a great content-based site that can attract new customers and keep existing ones returning for more. Use your blog to provide valuable information about your product or service and why people should buy it from you. You can also use your blog to build authority in your niche. Luckily today, building a website does not require coding from scratch from expensive web developers. Instead, there are many website and landing page builder platforms available in the market you can use from. Here is our list of the top 5 tools. Top 5 tools for building and designing pages and website. 1. Groove Apps Full Stack Marketing Tools built by affiliate marketers for affiliate marketers. Everything an affiliate marketer needs under one roof. 2. WordPress Sites. 3. Canva. 4. HubSpot. 5. ClickFunnels is another excellent full-stack website development platform with everything you need to run an online business. Last but not least, you'll need strong analytical skills if you want to succeed at affiliate marketing. You'll need to be able to track where your traffic is coming from, what type of traffic is converting, and which traffic sources aren't performing well. By analyzing this data, you can adjust your marketing strategies accordingly. Some affiliate networks where you will access your products and traffic sources you select to promote will have their own internal analytic tools to track sales. However, these tools may not be enough for you to access and analyze your data the way you want to. Top marketers use their own analytical tools to capture data in order to optimize their marketing efforts. To help you, we listed below the top 5 best analytical tools available. Top 5 best affiliate marketing tools for analyzing data. 1. Google Analytics. 2. Hotjar. 3. YouTube Analytics. 4. Pretty Links. 5. SimilarWeb. Remember, these are just some of the tools you'll need if you want to run a successful affiliate marketing business. Of course, many other things are involved, such as content creation and product promotion. But setting up these tools is the essential step for any affiliate marketer. And don't worry, we have created a video just for you on creating content for affiliate marketing and ways to promote your products. Please subscribe and like our channel to watch more videos from us. Wait, before you go, check out the video's description section, where we have listed the resources we shared on this video.